vegan buffalo chicken salad. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start by making our own vegan ranch dressing because it's just easier that way. So I started with the vegan mayo from Hellmann's because that's easier to find, and then the vegan sour cream from Wayfair. Y'all know I love the Wayfair. You can also use my vegan mayonnaise recipe I have on this channel a lot. Anyways, we're gonna move on to our seasonings. We have half a teaspoon each of parsley flakes, chives, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a whole teaspoon of dill weed. And add that to our bowl. We're going to mix it all together. And then we're just going to let it hang out in the fridge. Let the flavors marry, do its thing while we move on to the next step. So we're going to get some noodles going in a pot of boiling water. And we're just going to cook them regular. And I used penne. That's what I like. I mean, you do you, whatever nudes you have on hand. And while we're getting those going, we're just going to chop up some veg. So I've got about a cup of celery chopped, a whole container of cherry tomatoes, probably 2 chopped up. I got about a cup of green onions chopped up. And then I used the Morningstar chicken patties, cook those up, and then just cut them into pieces. But I wanted the buffalo ones. Greg forgot. So we're going to start by adding a little bit of our buffalo sauce to this chicken, get it marinated up just a little bit while we're waiting around. Who cares? Also, that buffalo sauce is accidentally vegan, which is super exciting. And then once we have that going, we're going to go ahead and add our ranch and then add as much buffalo sauce as you want. Remember, you can add more. You cannot take away. You can kind of try to balance if you mess up, but just start slow until it's as spicy as you want. Add your nudes, mix it all together, and I let it hang out in the fridge. But here's the thing. I don't you can taste it now and make some adjustments, but you're really going to be doing that the next day or the hours later when you serve it, right? Because you need to let it hang out. The nudes are going to soak up that flavor, the sauces, and then you're going to probably have to add a little bit more buffalo sauce and a little bit more of the vegan mayonnaise and vegan sour cream. So just keep that in mind, or the vegan ranch if you already just have vegan ranch, whatever. You're gonna want to keep that in mind because it's gonna require more sauce depending on how much, how big your packet of noodles is. I guess we use 16 ounce. I don't know. Whatever. Here you go. Here it is. A little extra green onion on top. It is so freaking delicious. I can't even tell you guys. I already tasted it. I'm trying to be all cool. Oh, I'm going to do a taste test. Who am I kidding? I already tasted it 8 times to make sure it was good. But it is so delicious. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to give you a thumbs up. And I'm going to tell you 10 out of 10. Do it.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.